I have a dream to restore a vintage Honda CB750 that hasn't run in 50 years. The only problem is I don't know anything about rebuilding engines or restoring motorcycles. The only thing to get me through is a stubborn will and access to YouTube.
You know, this was a project I've been dreaming about for months and months. I'd only been riding for a year and a half, 2 years maybe, when I started looking around, and as soon as I saw the CB750, I kind of fell in love with it. To me, it's the perfect bike.